Hey guys, today's Father's Day. I'm going to surprise my dad with a special breakfast made by me. First, we're going to make waffles using a waffle iron and finish it up with some berries. Second, we're going to make homemade squeezed orange juice using a manual juice press. Third, we're going to make my dad's favorite drink, which is a homemade latte from scratch. Alright, let's begin! I'll begin with making the waffle batter. For the waffle batter, we will need the following ingredients. Number 1, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Number 2, we'll need 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Number 3, you'll need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Number 4, you'll need a pinch of salt. Number 5, you'll need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Number 6, you'll need 2 eggs. Beat the eggs with a mixer until fluffy. Number 7, pour 1 3/4 cup of milk. Put 1/3 cup of melted butter. Lastly, put half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk together the rest of the ingredients. Preheat the waffle iron. Once it reaches the green light, pour the batter into the waffle maker and wait until it turns green again. That's it, the waffle is ready, nice and crispy. Now I'm going to make orange juice. First, cut the oranges in half. Then take 1/2 of an orange, put it under the presser, and press. And do the same with all of the other ones. For latte, I'll need coffee beans, milk, and a special mug that says Dad. First, grind the beans. Now tamp the ground coffee evenly. Drop the milk until the temperature reaches 140. Lastly, press the espresso button. Lastly, pour the froth milk over the espresso slowly. Now I'm going to finish the waffle by putting berries on. Alright, let's put some syrup. And I'm going to use a raspberry for the nose. I'm going to use blueberries for the eyes. And blackberries for the mouth. There. Now I'm going to put all 3 items on the tray and deliver it. Hope you'll like it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed watching, Don't forget to subscribe.